So good morning to all my dear students. Welcome back in the online teaching of St. Thomas School, Mahua, Standard 8, Subject English, Semester 2, Unit 4, My Point of View. So dear students, in the previous session, we were discussing activity number 3. In that PDF I have already sent. Now let us see the part which is given below. Write one sentence that tells what you think is true about extraterrestrials. You might consider one or more of these questions as you answer. Are the UFOs, is the DNA article extraterrestrial? Do extraterrestrials exist in our space? Have you ever been on Earth? Have they ever been on Earth? Should scientists look for extraterrestrial? So this activity is given. In that we have to answer, okay, that this one sentence from DNA article indicate that extraterrestrials do exist, that we see in our space, in our world. The official confirmed these UFOs were not planes or satellite. In support of this statement, we can learn from the report that all the efforts, most of them were scientific on identity, and most of them have gone in vain. They tried, but that has gone in vain. Scientists have been trying by all means since last 67 years. They have been trying to solve this, but they were not successful. They have not been successful. From 1947 to 1970 they tried. The sight of 20 UFOs have been recorded. Even after that, so many sights of UFOs are recorded, but it is too unscientific to state that all the cited UFOs were extraterrestrial. So this I have given in a PDF. You can see and you can write. Okay. Now next point. Share your sentence with your classmates. Listen to your classmates' sentences. From your classmates' sentences, gather information to fill the table. We can fill the table by this information. For the last row, quote the most interesting idea you hear from a classmate. Write down your classmate's name, words you can write here, okay, which is given here. How many people believe in that UFOs in the DNA article are extraterrestrial? Yes, no, maybe. You can tick mark maybe. Or extraterrestrial exist in outer space? That also you can write maybe. Or they have been on Earth? No, they are not in Earth. Then scientists should look for extraterrestrial? Yes, they look for extraterrestrial. Then the most interesting idea was by dash, who said that you can write your one of the classmate name, and the reason also you can give. Okay, that is not so important. This is a class activity. You now have information about your points of view and about the points of view of other people. You can write a paragraph that has the same structure as chaos reigns as traffic rules are ignored by Jatin Singh, and The Blind Man and the Elephant by John Godfrey Sykes. Okay, this idea which we have discussed. Now use the data you gathered from your classmates and the paragraph to help you write about what think is true about extraterrestrial. Okay, that also I will give you in a PDF that you have to write. Okay, then people have different belief about extraterrestrial. In my class, most people think what they thought. Okay, they thought that they are aliens. They do not possess shape like human, but they are quite different in the speech, appearance, behavior. They are different. Okay, some people think they come from different planets or they came from celestial bodies. Then a few people think they have more advanced technology, they come down on earth as a human being and living like non-existence. Then one interesting idea came from that, who said that you can write one of the student name. Okay, the aliens are our friend or children that you can write like that. One movie also you have about alien movie, okay, that we have seen, which we have discussed. Then I think, now what is your opinion? Then you can write. This is a class activity. So my dear students, whatever activity I will send in a PDF, that is only important and that only you write in your notebook. Okay, remaining just you study, just refer. No need to write in your friend notebook. Whatever I send, that only you do. Okay, so my dear student, here is end of activity number 3. We will stop. Then in next period, next session we will see another activity. So thank you very much. Goodbye.